JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, प्रोग्राम BCom ऑनर्स फोर्थ सेम, and session of course name is the quantitative technique, and session of today is the queuing theory. Queuing theory is the mathematics of waiting line, or in other words we can say queuing theory is organizing of queuing, giving the service to customer and then exit. Such type of model is called queuing model. It is extremely useful in predicting and evaluating system performance. Queuing theory has been used for operation research, manufacturing, and system analysis. Traditional queuing theory problem refers to customer waiting a store analogous to request arriving at a device. So, application of queuing theory in telecommunication, traffic control, determining the sequence of computer operations, prediction, computer performance, health services, and airport traffic, and any type of traffic control, layout of the manufacturing system, etc. Queuing system is basically classified into three ways. First of them is the model process in which customers arrive. First process, customer arrive. Second, waiting their turn for service. Waiting, then wait for the turn for service, are serviced and then leave. That is exist. Input and giving the service by the service provider and then exit or output. Characteristic of queuing system is the refers to anything that arrive at a facility and requires service. Example: people, machine, trucks, emails, patients, etc. So server refers to any resource that provide the requested service. Example: repair person, retrieval machines, and runway at airport, etc. Queuing example is first of all system, then customer, then service. So system is reception desk, hospital, airport, road network, grocery, station computer, and customers is at the reception. Customer is people at the hospital, customer is patient, airport, airplanes, then road network, the customer is the cars, grocery, shoppers, and station computer, that is jobs. Or server simultaneously receptionist, nurses, runway, traffic light, checkout, and CPU, etc. These are the now model of component of the queuing theory is first of all arrival process, then server or giving the services by the server, then exit. This is the component of the queuing system. This is the queuing system. So parts of the waiting line is size of population, behavior of arrive, statistical distribution of the arrival. It depends on the size. Size may be limited and unlimited. Then service to design the statistical distribution of the service. Or in it is divided into the three basically parts, that is the arrivals of the system and customers in the system, then out the system. So this is the basic parts of the queuing model. Next one, arrival process. Arrival process may be divided into the three aspects. First of, according to source, according to numbers, according to time. Queuing system can be divided into the four part: first come first serve, last come first serve, service in the random order, and priority service. There is four queuing model. Out of them, first is first come first serve, पहले आओ पहले पाओ. लास्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व, बाद में आओ पहले पाओ. सर्विस इन रैंडम ऑर्डर, रैंडमली सिलेक्ट किया जाएगा, किसी को भी सर्विस प्रोवाइड की जा सकती है. प्रायोरिटी बेस, प्रायोरिटी के आधार पे, है ना, पहले महिलाएं फिर बच्चे, इस तरह की प्रायोरिटी भी क्यूइंग मॉडल में दी जा सकती है और उनको ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. सर्विस सिस्टम, this is the model of the queuing theory. First of arrival, then queuing in the queuing, then service providing, or after providing service, departure. So multiple parallel server single queue model also exists. Queue is one. Then multi server also work in this model. Service facility by channel 1, service facility by channel 2, and service facility by channel 3. It is applicable when number of customers is more and more, and after then departure. This is another model of the queuing theory. Multiple parallel facility with multiple queue model, multiple line, multiple server, or then multiple exist. This is another model for the providing services. Service facility in a series. Again, next model, arrival, then queue, first phase, then arrival, then queue, second phase, arrival, then queue, then service providing. This is the series form of the queuing model. So queuing model can be again divided into the two part: deterministic queuing model and probabilistic queuing model. Deterministic queuing model, here parameter is lambda and mu. Lambda is represent for the mean number of arrival per period, and mu is the mean number of units served per time per period. So assumption is when lambda greater than mu and when lambda less than or equal to mu. Again, the classify into the two way: when lambda greater than mu and when lambda less than or equal to mu. So probabilistic queuing model, probability of the customers will arrive in the system of interval t is the PIN. Distribution is given here: lambda t to the power n, e to the power minus lambda upon factorial n. This is the probability distribution of queuing model, or numerically we can express it in this probability distribution expression. Single channel model, lambda is equal to mean number of arrival per time, mu mean number of units served per time, L lambda is equal to average number of units in the system, 1 upon mu minus lambda average time of unit spent in the system. This is the another parameter, LQ average number of unit in the queue, waiting in the queue, lambda upon mu minus lambda bar, WQ average time unit spent waiting in the time, lambda upon mu minus lambda bar, and P lambda upon mu is equal to utilization factor for the system. P0 is equal to probability of 0 unit in the system, lambda upon mu, and Pn greater than k, then the probability of more than k unit in the system, where n is the number of unit in the system, that will be lambda upon mu to the power k plus 1. Or these are the different single channel model examples are given here, and with the help of these we can calculate the desired problem which is given for finding the solution. So I hope you all are satisfied with the session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.